My name is Zhou. I'm a professor in the Department of Mechanical and Mechatronics Engineering at the University of Waterloo. My research is in materials science and engineering, especially how we process and join advanced materials. Our work has led to cleaner water, battery-free sensors for the Internet of Things, next-generation nano device for AI, neuromorphic computing, smarter orthodontics, more reliable medical implants, and lighter, stronger vehicles. By bridging fundamental understanding with real-world applications, we have addressed global and Canadian challenges in health, sustainability, and smart manufacturing. What inspires me is a mix of curiosity and purpose, solving meaningful problems while always learning something new. I love what I do because it combines innovation, impact, and mentorship, helping train the next generation researchers and engineers.